Hi, everybody. So today I'm going to talk primarily about Blend AI and their platform, but this is not at all a paid promotional. I'm not getting paid at all in order to do this. I picked and chose Blend AI specifically because I am kind of like Scrooge McDuck, honestly, when it comes to all of this. Like I want the uh, best performance for the most value. And then so I've done a lot of digging into this. I've set it up myself and all of that. And then I've settled on Blind AI. And I'll tell you upfront why, very specifically because of the cost, right? Again, I'm Scrooge McDuck. And so I want the best value that I can get for the best performance. And then so what I found with Bland is that they're currently offering it's 9 cents per minute, and then it's only paying if it's connected, right? So I'm only paying for the talk time. I could set this up myself and recreate it, and then if I were to do that, like my cost would be about $2.40 per hour in order for me to do that. And it's a lot of work to set it up on the back end and to connect these things, right? Like this is a very well constructed and built platform. I can like on the back end, I'll be very honest. Like I know that, I mean, I don't know what it 100% on the back end. I'm assuming it's calling ChatGPT, and I know 100% that they're using LangChain, like LangChain or LangGraph, because that's like their back end, right? Like I can just tell. But on the front end, it's interesting to me because having a lot of experience with these platforms overall and the layout of this and the look of it, this is very reminiscent to me of two products and like two teams. And I don't know anything about these teams, like nothing, right? But I would guess that it's like a mix of like Braze and Mixpanel. And then they came together and it's like, what the heck is this? And then what the heck is this is Blend AI, right? Like, and like, that's what it seems to me, like just overall. But so platform, like the knock that people say on it, like I've read that people say is that it's very developer heavy. And then sure, like, yeah, like I don't, but to me, I don't understand how that's a knock. If you're used to the two platforms that I just mentioned, like Braze, Mixpanel, along those lines, you understand that there's a lot of development that goes into these platforms because there's a lot that you can do once you have it, right? These platforms are designed to enable development. So like that's their purpose, not a knock on the platform, right? Same thing with this platform. And it's like Braze is a really good kind of reference point to me as far as what you can do on the back end and kind of how this works. Like this is Braze for AI calling, like flat out. Like so, anything that you can do, like if you want to connect like APIs, and then you want to like do different functions, you want to build out different campaign flows, for example, like conversational pathways. Like there's a very big reason campaigns. There's a very big reason why I think that this is like I associate this with Braze in my mind up front, right? Because it's a lot, and the Mixpanel is just like their look is very Mixpanel-y, but the elements of what you can do within this these pathways are a big thing within this, right? And then so this is where my pathway was a lot bigger than this before, but so pathways are a really cool element within this, and that it's like visual flow, and that's kind of the biggest thing that I like about this is that it's this visual pathway editor, which this is very LangGraph, right? But it's like if you are very familiar with Braze overall as a platform, this visual layout and everything that you need is going to be very straightforward and intuitive for you. Whereas if you like the knock that people say, right? If you are developer heavy, the good thing within this platform too, like the thing I like about it overall, and I'll point out this is kind of just the last feature here, is that within this, like you do have like very developer heavy options, right? So this is WYSIWYG editor. Most maybe if you are wanting to just go straight to JSON, you probably don't want to deal with this, right? So you just go straight to JSON mode. Here you go, boom, here it is. Like here's everything that you need right here, right? Like, and it's just really literally just a toggle. You don't have to leave the editor. You don't have to leave the like a general interface that your like admins or any other users are going to be interacting with. It's just you literally just toggle over. It's very straightforward and intuitive, like a really there's a lot of design elements in here that are very well done, which is why, again, like I can tell that this is built out by an enterprise team, right? And it's like, I mean, honestly, what stopped me from building out this myself? It's I've said this for a while now. It's a race to the bottom when it comes to AI specifically, right? Because everyone can do this, and then so once everyone can do this, and then on the back end, like I am assuming it's either OpenAI models or it's like Llama and Whisper, right? There's one of two possibilities, like and Llama equivalent or a Whisper, like 100% Whisper, right? But like there's one of two things that it is, and then I know how to set this up on my end, right? It's Twilio, lane graph, lane chain, and then your model, and then it's very straightforward, right? But even knowing that, even within that, because of just like so much competition within this, 9 cents per minute for a connected call, it's not worth my time to set it up. I'd rather do this. Like I'd rather just go through, even as a developer, even as a CEO, knowing exactly what is involved with all of this and being able to do it myself. I'll pay them the 9 cents per connected call. Like cool. Like this is cool enough. Like thank you for doing the work for me. And we're already there. And then so I think that people just don't understand that concept yet. I'm going to, and so in the next follow-up video, I'll do more follow-up videos where I'll actually do calls within this platform, but I want to do just this first video, just introducing this concept in this platform to you. I'm huge and all in on the AI telemarketers, and like this is going to be a bigger part of my business moving forward. So just introducing this now and making this video. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.